Forest fringe, exploring nature's borderline. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, forest fringe. This term paints a vivid picture of nature and its boundaries. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, forest fringe, refers to the outer edge or border area of a forest. This is where the dense forest vegetation starts to thin out, blending into open land or other types of terrain. It's a transitional zone, often rich in diverse plant and animal life. To understand how to use forest fringe in sentences, let's look at a few examples. 1. The cabin was nestled at the forest fringe, offering a stunning view of both the woods and the meadow. 2. During our hike, we noticed a variety of wildlife at the forest fringe, where different habitats meet. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe a location or setting. Forest fringe can also be used metaphorically to describe situations or concepts on the edge of two different states or ideas. For example, his thoughts were on the forest fringe of consciousness, neither fully awake nor completely asleep. The new policy is on the forest fringe of innovation, blending traditional methods with modern technology. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, forest fringe, and how you can use it both literally and metaphorically. Remember, language is a window into culture and nature, and phrases like these enrich our communication. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.